Now we will do problem which is based on basic concept that we learned up to last or previous lecture. We will do some problem based on that basic concept. The first problem is if vector u with component 2, 1, 3 and vector v with component 1, 2, 4, then find 2 times of vector u minus v. Now we have to find 2 times vector u minus vector v. So 2 times of vector u, that is 2, 1, 3 minus vector v, that is 1, 2, 4. So if we see k times vector x, it becomes 4, 2, 6 and plus minus 1 of 1, 2, 4. Another scalar, that is minus 1. So it gives 4, 2, 6 plus minus 1, minus 2 and minus 4. Now we can add up two vectors by the law of sum of two vectors with adding corresponding elements. So 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2. So vector 2u minus v is 3, 0, 2. Now the next problem is 4 vectors, vector x, vector y, vector z belongs to R cube. Show that if vector x plus y is equal to vector x plus z, that implies vector y is equal to vector z. So we have to prove this result. Now the solution is, as we have vector x plus vector y is equal to vector x plus vector z. As x, y, z belongs to R cube, then minus x, minus y, minus z also exists. So adding minus x on both sides. Plus vector x plus z. And we know that sum of a vector and its additive inverse is 0. Therefore it becomes 0 plus vector y is equal to 0 plus vector z. And on adding vector 0 plus y, that is the property of identity vector, it gives vector y and it gives vector z. So vector x plus y is equal to vector x plus z implies vector y is equal to vector z. Now the next problem is, that is, solve x times 3, 1 plus y times 4, 2 is equal to 1, 0, where x and y are scalar. So the solution is, as we have x times 3, 1 plus y times 4, 2 is equal to 1, 0. So we take multiply x with vector 3, 1, it becomes 3x, x plus 4y, 2y is equal to 1, 0. So as by the law of sum of two vectors, we added up two vectors, it becomes 3x plus 4y corresponding element and x plus 2y is equal to 1, 0. So by equality law of vectors, we get 3x plus 4y is equal to 1 and x plus 2y is equal to 0. So multiplying this equation, that is 1 by component by scalar 2, to make the component of y same. That is coefficient of y same. So we get 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Now this is the equation star and this is the equation star 1. So subtracting because their signs are same. So star minus star 1 gives 3x minus 2x, that is x, plus 4y minus 4y is 0, which is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1. So substitute the value of x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Then we get 2y is equal to minus x, that is 2y is equal to minus 1. That also implies y is equal to minus half. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus half are the required value of x and y.